So can you see the way I put the upper clipper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade for testing? This is what I call freehand testing styling mode. Yeah, from Master Barbers. Can you see it? You press the upper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade firmly. You now be shifting from side to side. Let us see the inside. Yeah, can you see the inside now? You see the carbon from left hand side to the right hand side, from right hand side to the left hand side, for the front and the back, for the upper and the bottom clipper blade. Which means this clipper blade has agreed together totally. They've been sharpened correctly. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Now, let us go into the workshop and see the way I sharpen this clipper blade before we get this result. Let's go. You are welcome back to Master Barbers. Master Barbers Hotel. This is a tutorial on how to sharpen best taper clipper blade. Best taper clipper blade. Best taper. Can you see it? Best taper. Let's watch the inside, the inner surface of it. This clipper blade are being overused. They really repackage the blade. You see the surface? I want to show you how you can sharpen best taper very fast. Best taper very fast. You see the surface of the upper clipper blade. Can you see it? You see? Now before we go, we have to activate the surface of the stone we are using in order to make the work easier. You see the way I want to activate the surface. Activate the surface. Try to watch carefully the way I am activating the surface of the stone. See the way I position my upper clipper blade at the angle of 45 degrees. I want to start the job. I've sharpened here. I want to sharpen the other side. I want to sharpen the other one, the bottom clipper blade, that is cutting blade. Still, I have to recharge the surface of the super hard mother sharpening stone. Can you see the way I'm recharging it? You see the way I'm recharging it? You see the inner surface? I want to start from here. I've sharpened here to and fro 10 times. I want to clean the treatment at the back of the blade. Yeah, that is to and fro 10 times here, 10 times here. I still want to go another set again. Yeah, I've sharpened 20 times for each side. Now I want to check whether we still have a little way to go. Let me show you. You see it? So let me repeat it just one time to make the equation balance very well. I want to recharge the surface of the stone. This recharging of the stone, the charging of the surface of stone is very important and it's very compulsory. You cannot do your sharpening, you cannot do your sharpening of the clipper blade, the upper and the bottom clipper blades without recharging the surface of the stone. Yeah, I want to go 10 times here, 10 times here, but the last one I'll go now to be towards here. See where I'm pointing, here and here. Ten times here, 10 times here again. Yeah, can you see the surface now? Everything has shined across. It doesn't take a long time at all. Let us test. Let us test. If you want to test, you put the upper clipper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade. You now press it down a little. You now be shifting.